Okay, we're going to graph Triet 1b on page 3. And to do this problem, we're going to do long division and take x minus 6 divided into x. So the numerator becomes your dividend, and your denominator is always your divisor. All right, so we need to think about what number what number would you multiply 1 times this x to create this x. So x times 1 makes x. So we're going to put a 1 at the top and then distribute it to x minus 6 for x minus 6. Subtract this quantity, and you get a remainder of 6. So what we do is we add that remainder over that divisor, x minus 6, and this is the reformed or redrawn, rewritten function that we're going to graph. 6 over x minus 6 plus 1. So now we've transformed it and made it look more like one of the functions that we graphed in lesson 4.1 with a shift to the right of 6 and up 1 and a dilation of 6. So what you're going to do on your graph paper is you're going to move your vertical asymptote over to positive 6. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your horizontal asymptote will be at x or y equals 1. So we have an asymptote at 6 and another asymptote horizontal at 1. From there, if you did not have the dilation, you would just go 1, 1 and put a dot, negative 1, negative 1 and put a dot from this new origin, from this new crossroads. So instead of drawing your hyperbola here and here, here at the origin, you would redraw it over here at this new crossroads where x and y, where the horizontal and vertical asymptotes meet. So this is your center point to focus on, and instead of 1, 1, we're going to dilate it by going 1, 6, put a dot, and another point from this origin, right 2, up 3. I'm picking pairs of numbers from this new center point that multiply to make 6, which is our dilation constant. So the next one will be 3, 2, and the curve will look like this. The other side of the curve is going to be down here in sort of the lower left-hand quadrant from those green dotted lines. You're going to go left 1, so you're going to go left 1 and down 6, left 1 and down 6 and put a dot. Left 6 and down 1 and put a dot. Left 2, down 3 and put a dot. Left 3, down 2 and put a dot. So we're just picking pairs of numbers that multiply to make that dilation constant 6. To check your work, you're going to pick some ordered pairs that are now on this curve, such as this one, 0, 0. This one, the point 3, comma, negative 1. You could even pick this point over to the right at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, comma, 4. 8, comma, 4. All of these ordered pairs you should be able to trace on your calculator when you graph the original function. Or, if you think of it this way, if you plug this x value into this equation for x, you should get this y value as a result. Is 0 divided by 0 minus 6 0? Check. If we put a 3 in, is 3 over 3 minus 6 negative 1? Check. If you put 8 in for x, is 8 over 8 minus 6, which is 8 over 2, 4? Check. So it looks like we're getting the proper results. This looks like a good graph. You're finished.